Hello friends, welcome to Gem Academy. Now what we are going to see is inflation and kinds of inflation, wholesale price index, consumer price index, index. This is in page number 30 of ABM. Causes of inflation. Inflation is of two kinds, demand pull inflation and cost push inflation. Types of inflation is asked in December 2019 question. Demand pull inflation, that is demand is pulling the inflation. It's a rise in general prices caused by increasing the aggregate demand of goods or services. If the demand increases, demand pulls the inflation. So if the demand rises, so that the inflation arises. This is demand pull inflation. Next one is cost push inflation, that is cost of production is increased so that the inflation occurs there. It's a type of inflation caused by substantial increase in the cost of production. If the cost of production increases, then there may also some inflation occur. So that is called cost push inflation. If the prices of some key inputs like oil, rice producers will have to either adjust output supply to translate the higher cost into higher output prices. When output declines because of cost pressure on production, there will be shortage of output in markets and as a result prices will rise. So these are the two kinds of inflation that was asked in December 2019. Next topic what we are going to see is measures of inflation. Measures of inflation, that is calculating inflation with the price indexes. Price index. Inflation is measured by price index. What are all the price index available? We are going to see next one. Calculating inflation with price indexes. The annual rate of inflation during a month is calculated using the price index for that month in the current year and comparing it with the price index during the same month of the previous year. Here one example is given. Inflation this current year, price index in the current year minus price index of the old one divided by old one into 100. This is a formula for inflation. Price index of the current year minus price index of the previous year or the base year divided by price index of the previous year or base year into 100 is a formula for inflation. So that's what they have found it out. And for the price and for determining the price index, for determining inflation we need a price index. For determining price index, next chapter is determining price index. What are all the price indexes available in our country? Or wholesale price index, consumer price index, and also GDP deflator. GDP deflator I am discussing in a separate video, so I am doing now wholesale price index and consumer price index. Wholesale price index refers to change in the level of prices of a basket of goods at the wholesale level. That is not all the goods taken into consideration, only selected number of goods. So that is random number of goods are taken in this one basket of goods at the wholesale level. Wholesale price index of those goods are taken into consideration. Basket of goods is a important one friends. That is not all the goods taken into consideration, only selected goods are taken into consideration for determining wholesale price index. WPI focuses on the price of goods traded between corporations at the wholesale stage rather than goods bought by customers. Next one, the base year changed now. Wholesale price index is introduced on monthly basis. Who is announcing this one is the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India, and represents the following three commodity groups. Primary articles, fuel. All the articles are divided into three. They are primary articles, fuel and power, and manufactured products. Next one, consumer price index. Consumer price index is that's also basket of goods and services purchased or consumed by the households. It measures the prices at the retail level. It measures the prices at retail level. This is an important point, friends. Next, this is a measure of inflation most relevant for consumers. The CSO, who is announcing this consumer price index, is CSO, Central Statistics Office. But whereas wholesale price index is released by Ministry of Commerce and Industry on monthly basis, this one Central Statistics Office releases this one on monthly basis. That's also monthly basis. And the next one, along with the CPI, it also publishes the CFPI. The CFPI accounts for a substantial portion of the overall CPI, making food prices quite important for retail inflation. Core inflation is calculated by removing the price index. They affect volatile food and energy components. We have volatile. If the volatile goods, that is food prices changes regularly, daily it changes, and the fuel prices also changes regularly, that is daily. So we are removing that one, and after that some commodities will be available for us. That is called core inflation. We have three different index numbers of consumer prices. They are GD is a consumer price index for industrial workers, CPI for agricultural laborers, and CPI for rural, CPI for urban, and CPI combined. This is a really important one, friends. After this, read this check your process. The answer is given here. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and kindly subscribe to Gem Academy.